Hey everyone, Josh here. Ever deleted your favourite photos? Maybe years ago, from a trip, a wedding, or special family memories? Well, the good news is, it's still possible to recover them, even if they were deleted a long time back. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to find and recover old photos deleted years ago, step by step, using your backups, your computer, and one powerful recovery tool. So let's jump in. Okay, so the first place to look for old deleted photos is your cloud backup. If you use iCloud Photos, go to Photos, Albums, Recently Deleted. This keeps deleted items for up to 30 days. For Google Photos, open Library, Trash, and tap Restore. But if your photos were deleted months or even years ago, don't panic. We'll move to older backups next. Next, think back to your old phones, memory cards, or hard drives. Even if those photos were deleted years ago, your old backups may still hold copies. Plug them into your computer and check folders like DCIM, Pictures, or Camera Roll. You might rediscover photos you thought were gone forever. Here's something many people miss. Your computer might already have a hidden backup. On Windows, open the folder where your photos were saved, right-click, and choose Restore Previous Versions or Use File History to bring back older photo versions. On Mac, open Time Machine, go back to an earlier date, and click Restore to recover your old photos. These built-in tools can often recover photos deleted years ago. No extra software needed. If you still can't find your photos, don't lose hope. There's one more option. Use a professional recovery tool like StellarPhotoRecovery. It can scan your computer, SD card, USB drive, or camera and bring back deleted, lost, or even old hidden photos, even those deleted years ago. Just launch StellarPhotoRecovery, select what to recover, select your drive, click scan. When the scan finishes, preview the recoverable photos, select the ones you want, and click recover. It's safe, quick, and works when everything else fails. Once you've got your photos back, make sure you never lose them again. Back them up in two places, one in the cloud and one on an external drive. And remember, if your photos were recently deleted, stop using that device. New data can overwrite the old and make recovery impossible. And that's it. That's how you can recover your old photos, even if they were deleted years ago. Your memories deserve a second chance. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart recovery tips. I'm Josh. I'll see you in the next one.